So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix no buy button on Vinted verification and shipping setting and FX. So how to fix no buy button on Vinted. The buy button may be missing on the Vinted app if the item is reserved or sold, the seller does not ship to your location, or your account is not fully verified. You can fix this issue by verifying your account, checking that your delivery address and shipping options are correct, and making sure the item is still available for purchase. If the problem continues, update or restart the app to resolve temporary glitches that may prevent the buy button from appearing. Complete account verification. First, open the Vinted app and go to your profile setting. Next, check if Vinted is asking you to verify your email address or phone number. Then follow the instruction provided to confirm your account using the verification code. After that, refresh the item listing page where you want to make a purchase. Finally, check whether the buy button appears after completing the verification process. So how this fix help? Account verification confirm your identity and enable purchasing features on Vinted. If your account is not verified, the platform may disable the buy option to protect against fraudulent activity. Fix 2 is check shipping settings. First, open the item listing you want to purchase on Vinted. Next, review the shipping options listed by the seller. Then make sure the seller offers delivery to your location or country. After that, confirm that your delivery address is correctly added in your account setting. Finally, reload the listing page to see if the buy button becomes available. The buy button may not appear when the seller's shipping setting do not match your location. Once a valid delivery method and address are available, Vinted enable the purchase option. Third fix is update the Vinted app. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your device. Next, search for the Vinted app in the store. Then check if an update is available. After that, install the latest version of the application. Finally, reopen the Vinted app and check the item listed again. Updating the app resolves bugs and compatibility issues that may hide certain features. Installing the latest version ensures the buy button works correctly with Vinted updated system. Fourth one is restart the app or log out and log it back in. First, close the Vinted app completely on your device. Next, reopen the app and log out of your account. Then, log back into your Vinted account. After that, navigate back to the item listing page. Finally, refresh the page and check if the buy button appears. Restarting the app refresh the connection between your device and Vinted server. This process can fix temporary glitches that prevent the buy button from displaying. Fifth fix is check if the item is reserved or sold. First, open the item listed on Vinted. Next, look for labels such as reserved or sold. Then, read the item description for any reservation notes from the seller. After that, contact the seller if you want to ask when the item may become available again. Finally, revisiting the listing later to see if the buy option appears. When an item is reserved for another buyer or already sold, Vinted disable the buy button to prevent multiple purchases. The option may return once the reservation ends. Sixth fix is contact Vinted support. First, open the Vinted app and go to the help center from your account setting. Next, search for topic related to purchasing or missing buy buttons. Then select the option to contact support. After that, describe your issue and include the item listing link if possible. Finally, wait for the Vinted support team to investigate and respond. Contacting support allows Vinted to check for account restriction, listing issues or system error that may prevent the buy button from appearing. Thank you.